are the Flynn family, and we have been nominated to do the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge by the Williams family and the Waitman family. So
and the Whitehurst family.
And the Whitehurst family. So we are accepting the challenge, and we are nominating Carrie Jensen, Carla Jimenez, and Brianna Mildenhall.
Aunt Jen, Aunt Natalie, Aunt Christy, Uncle Darren, Uncle Dave, Grandpa Toombs, and Ava Helton. The Colson family and Sister Pryor.
Alright. Okay. Let's do them first.
Ryan, come help Mom.
Oh, I think I only one mine. This one's mine. I think I only one who does.
Ryan.
That one's mine.
Which one?
That one's mine. Don't jump me!
Alright,
Don't
ready?
jump me! Yeah! Yeah!
This one, Mom?
Oh my gosh.
Alright, this one's Olivia.
Alright, Olivia.
Mom,
Come here, Ryan.
I know.
Ready? Dad, that was Mama's pajamas.
Ryan, it's your turn.
Alright, Olivia. I'm gonna do it.
Hey, come here, buddy.
Come here.
I want to do something.
Here, I'll do it.